Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in my full course on Filmora 13. So in this particular lecture, I will teach you how can you make professional video with the help of simple images and stock media, which is 4K video. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. But before that, if you like this video, then you can give me a good rating so that I can motivate myself to make more video like this. Okay, so let's start our lecture. First of all, what you have to do, we have to single click in this region inside media. Here you can see drop your video clip, images or audio here. So I will single click here. Now I can select all the images which I want to use in my video. Also, this is my audio file which I want to use in my video as voiceover. So it is pre-recorded audio, so I will select it too. Now I will click on open. As you can see, all files have been added in my Filmora dashboard. Also, I need to use some stock media file which could be 4K video for my gaming video. Okay, so I will select gaming. Now I can download each video. As you can see, it will look like this. Now first of all, I would like to drag and drop some images file here. Some images, some video file. Now finally I have a audio file which is pre-recorded, so I will simply drag and drop it just below of the video. Okay, now if I will play, then you can see this bar is moving towards the right hand side. Now it's time for our intro. So I will go on title and I will select any professional text from here. So this would be good title. It will look like this. As you can see, it is looking so professional. So I will change its text to born to play. This is my intro, basically born to play games. Now if I will play it, then we can see its preview.
Hello everyone, in this video we are going
it is looking so nice.
the Roblox app.
Now I need to add some extra text for my video. So again I will drop this title sample right here, and now I will change its text too. I will remove it because I don't want it in my video. Now I will edit this text, just copy and paste. I don't want this title, so I have removed it, and we can adjust its size. And R should be in capital. Also we can edit its font. So I will double click on it and you can see this is our font. So we can change our font. This would be great. And finally you can change its style from here. It will look so clear and nice. Now let's play our video.
Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be talking about the Roblox error 403 and how to fix it.
So it will look like this. Now I will trim it from here. I have already used stock media. Now I want to use some images, so I will drag and drop this image here. And after that, when we will switch from second video to the another one video, it will not look like so smooth.
Error code is completely
So to make it much smoother, we need to use some transition effect. So we can use this linear effect. So it has been downloaded and it will look like this. So what do we have to do? We have to drag and drop between them. Now if I will play this video, then you can see transition effect is too smooth.
This error code is commonly used for
It is looking like so professional, but as you can see, this image is still, it is not moving, so we have to add some extra animation here. So what will we do? I will right click on it and go to the crop and zoom section, and here you can change its resolution. So I will select 16:9. Okay, and you can see here pan and zoom option, so I will click here, pan and zoom option. So first of all, I will define starting point, and after that I will define end point, and I will click on apply button. Now if I will play my video,
is commonly
then it will zoom very smoothly.
and many player people have reported it on Reddit. In this video, we will be
Similarly, I want to add some extra images, so I will simply drag and drop here, and I will select its duration. Now again I will add some transition effect. So let's use some different transition effect. Linear 9. It will look like this. So again I will hold it and drop between them. Now we can play this video.
In this video, we will be discussing a popular solution that has worked for many people.
Now again we have to add extra animation here. Then I will again right click and crop and zoom. Now we have to click on pan and zoom, and again we have to define a starting box and end box. Okay, so at this time I want animation should be left to right, so I will select my starting rectangle towards left side and end rectangle towards right side. So what will happen when I will play this image? It will move from left to right.
Discussing a popular solution that has worked for
As you can see, it is looking so professional.
trouble with error code 403, then keep watching this video.
Now again, to make my video professional, what I will do, I will add some stock video again. I will add some stock video again. Now we have to use some transition effect again. Now we will use some another transition effect. Let's try this simple fashion transition effect. Let's use dissolve. So again I will drop between them. As you can see, I have pasted my transition effect between two videos. Now if I will play, it will switch to smooth.
First step is clear your cache and
Now at this section I have to add my title, or you can say text for clear your cache. Now I will select this text because this is looking too awesome. Now I will drag and drop here. Now if I will play, Now I have to change its text, so I will type clear cache files and cookies. I will again readjust its size, and also I can change its font. I am changing its font. And also I can change its style from here. And I will delete this extra part from the video. Now if I will play it,
cache and cookies. This is because sometimes
so it is looking so professional.
outdated or
Now again I need a sample 4K video for browser, so I will download any of them. It has been downloaded now. Now I will drag and drop here. Now if I will play, then I have to add some transition effect between them. Now let's play it.
stored in your browser. So you have to clear your cache file. So in order to clear your cache file and cookies, you have to follow some steps.
Now again I will delete this extra part, so I have to click on this scissor button, and it will split my video in two parts. This is first part and this is another second part. Okay, so I have to delete this second part, so I will simply click on it and press delete button. It has been deleted. Now I have to add some extra stock footages, so I will go on download section, which I have downloaded already, and now I can drag and drop this file too.
Cookies,
Again
follow some steps.
again
Just you have to go on browser, open your browser.
again I will use transition effect between them.
You have to follow some steps. Just you have to go on browser.
Now I have to add some extra text.
You have to open your browser. Then you have to go on setting and
You can add any extra text if it is necessary, otherwise it is very fine. Now I have added these two extra images with some animation.
your cache and cookies. Then you have
Now I will simply export this video. It has been ready to use. Now to export this video, I will click on this export button, right hand side. Now I will go on setting tab and I will click on higher resolution. If you want a lower resolution, then you can also get lower version of your video, but I want in HD, so I will click on this resolution and hit the apply button, and now I can simply export this video. Roblox. So thank you for watching this video.